Hello everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com, and today I am not fit to be seen on camera, so you're just going to see the project that I'm working on, and it's going to be a quick one. I wanted to do a quick tutorial today on using chalk paint as a stain on raw wood, which can be done, and I think a lot of people don't know that. But let me get my paint here. I'm going to be working with Bungalow 47, and I'm going to be using Robin's Egg Blue. And I've got in this bowl here just a little bit of water. So you can see it's not too much, but you do want to use a lot. And this is pretty raw wood. It is an old ladder that I'm going to be using for display. Let me get this, shake this up and get that open. And I'm going to be diluting this pretty well. So you're going to see in a minute. Let me get some paint in here. I'm just going to use my brush or dump it in here. Hang on. Use my brush to mix it up. Let's get this mixed real quick. And as you can see, it is pretty thinned out. And it's very thin. It's the consistency of stain. And I'm just gonna get started on this piece. All you do is just put it right on. And at this point I decided that I didn't like how light it was, so I went in and grabbed some more paint. And you can see when I get on the side here, it's still really diluted. It's dripping. I got it all over the whole piece. And then when it was done, I used Annie Sloan's soft wax on it, because I didn't want the finish to have a gloss to it of any kind, so I went with the wax. Then when I was done, I went ahead and distressed the treads so that it would look worn in all the right places. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe link below. Happy Junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, PeonyLaneDesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.